Good morning to everyone. Today we will explain the cubic measure, page 362 and 363. Let's start. Today we're going to explain how to get the volume for any solid figure. What means volume? The volume is the measure of the amount of space that the solid figures contain. What does mean? We need more explanation. Yes, let me tell you. If I have this solid figure, do you remember what it is? Yes, it's a cube. If I have this cube from inside, the space in it measure what? If I fill it all of it. So it measures what from inside. If I know this measures, so this is the volume of my cube. So the volume of any solid figure, it means the space of the solid figure contains. How can I calculate my volume for any solid figure? We will use a unit called the unit cube. The unit cube is what? It's a small cube. It has 3 dimensions. Each dimension in it is 1. So here, the length of it is 1 centimeter, the width is 1, and my height also is 1 centimeter. So 1 by 1 by 1, this is my unit cube. How we will use this one? This one, they used it to find the volume of any solid figure. So for example, this solid figure, my rectangular prism, and I want to know the volume of it by using the unit cube. So I will get the unit cubes, I will get a lot of it. Then what? Then put it here in my rectangular prism until I fill all the rectangular prism. Look, I will finish it all of this I will finish it, putting in it what? Putting in it from the unit cube. Then I will count how many unit cube this shape take. This will be my volume. So for example, if I put in it 25 unit cube, so my volume is 25. If it takes 17 unit cube, so my volume is 17, and so on. So how we're using the unit cube? I'm filling my shape with it, then count how many do we have. Let's see example. For example, this shape. In this shape, how many unit cubes did I put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simply your volume here is 5 cubic unit or 5 centimeter, because this is centimeter, yes, centimeter cube. So let's see here. Here it is the answer. My volume is 5 cubic centimeter. It means 5 from my cubic unit. Here the word unit, we're replacing it with the unit that we have. If it's a centimeter, so cubic centimeter. If it's inch, so cubic inch, and so on. Let's see another example. On this shape, can you tell me what is the volume of it? Can you guess? Yes, what do you have to do? Just count how many cubic unit do you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So simply it's 6 cubic units. Here why I said units? Because they did not mention for me what is the unit. Is it feet? Is it centimeter? They did not mention. So I said cubic unit. Let's see this one. Also I will count how many cubic unit, then put my volume. We have here in all 6 cubic units, so it's 6 cubic feet because they told you that it's by feet. Let's see another one. Here this one, Yalla, can you do with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 cubic unit. What is the 7 cubic unit? It is my volume. So the volume here is 7 cubic unit. Okay, here I will show you another one, but by a video. Let's start to see it together. In this shape, I have 4 down, then 4 in the middle, then above it another 4. So when you see the shape as a total, you cannot see all. But actually we have in each one of them 12 cubic units. 4 down, another 4 above it, then 4 on the top, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 give you 12. Also the other figure I have in it 4 down also, then above it another 4, so now 8, above it another 4, so now 12. Okay, so here we have 12 cubic units, so the volume for each figure here is 12. Let's see the questions from your book. And while we're explaining, beside the way that we're explaining now, I will give you another way also to get the volume. Let's see, find the cubic measure of the solid figure. For example, number 1, just to what? Count how many cubic units you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 centimeters cube. Number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 millimeter cube. Number 3, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to the back I have what? Also 4, but some of them are hidden. 1, 2, and on this part I have 2, 1 up, 1 down, but hidden. So totally I have what? 8-inch cube. And this one, how many do I have? Do I need to count one by one, or easier to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes. And here on this side I have what? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5, they are 15. So I multiplied the length by the width, will give me how many do we have here, because the height is just 1. Then let's see another part. Find the cubic measure of the solid figure. Here I want to explain for you the other way, and we will explain it on question number 8. Any volume, we said that I can get it by counting how many cubic units. Easy, yes? Okay, we have a rule also for the volume, which is what? Length multiply by width multiply height. It means you will multiply the 3 dimensions of your solid figure. If it's regular solid figure, like what? Is number 5 regular? No, we have a part missed here, not regular. But this one looked regular. So I can use with it my rule, my formula. Okay, let's see how we will make it by using the formula. We said volume equal length multiply width multiplied by the height. Okay, where is the length here? This one, which is 1, 2, 3. So the length is 3 multiply. Where is the width? Here it is. Can you see it? It's also 1, 2, 3. So multiply 3. Where is the height? The height from down, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the height is 4. Let's multiply. 3 times 3 will give me 9. 9 multiplied by 4 will give 36. So here I have 36 cubic units. Because by counting it will be hard for you. Okay, so better to use this way, and I will repeat it with you again with another question. So here the answer is 36. Let's see number 6. It's regular. I can use also my formula. Volume equals length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Okay, where is the length? Here it is. They are 3. Multiply. Where is the width? Here it is. From the front going to the back, this is the width. They are 1, 2. Where is the height? From down to the top. 1, 2, 3. Then find the answer. 3 times 2 gave me 6. Then 3 times 6 is 18. So my volume here is 18 decimeter cubed. If you want to be sure by counting, you can count. But I want you to put in consideration that there is some here hidden at the bottom. Okay, let's do another one. For example, number 9. Number 9, you have 2 choices. I can make it by counting, or I will tell you another way. Before I start, this shape, is it regular? No. But here, if I removed this part, these two, my shape now is regular? Yes, it's regular. So can I use the way of the formula? Yes. I have here 3, the length, multiply the width is 2, multiply the height from down to up, they are 3. Give me what? Give me 18. Then, where is the part that I erased? They were, here it is. Let me remove it now because I need to add them. Can you see this 2? I will add it to the 18, so I will get 20. Okay, let's do another one. Number 10. Is it regular? No, because here we have this one, not complete column, yes? Okay, so this one easy to be done by counting. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and below this one there is 1, 8, then the one which is above, so 9. So you have 9 centimeter cubed, and so on.